Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to train your troops on the Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device, and after you have completed the basic tutorial levels, you will gain access to your kingdom. Now immediately after completing the basic tutorials, you will be required to build your barracks, where you can train your troops. After you have built your barrack, just tap on it from the game menu, and now you will see various different kinds of soldiers and troops that you have. Just tap on whichever troop you wish to train and then tap on the train button, and now this will begin the training of your troops that you have just selected. You can tap on the speed up button and use your gems in order to finish the training immediately, and you can also use various speed up tokens that you have in order to speed up your training process. You will need to wait for the first troop to complete their trainings in order to train a new one. After you have trained your troops, they will be ready for battle right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to train your troops on the Lords mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.